Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another instrument cluster, this time working on a 2006 Range Rover HSE. Let me just make sure I got that correctly because he sent me the VIN number. Yeah, it's a Land Rover Range Rover Sport HSE, sorry, 4.4 liters, naturally aspirated. And this is the same as in the Land Rover's LR3's instrument cluster. They're very close to each other and they have the same problems, right? So all the gremlins with, let me just read these notes in here. It says HDC fault on dash, no communication with parking assist module, no communications with tire pressure module. It says the code that has scan P0116 and P0118 temperature sensor circuit, coolant temperature was changed, but the codes still exist. They changed another sensor and was finally clear. When the car started one time, the temperature gauge never left the cold region blue. From the, it just gives no start with codes for instrument cluster. Yep, very, very common on these ones. So I have everything ready. Give me just 1 second. All right, so I got everything ready to go as far as the repair. So I already repaired the cluster for him, put it all together, clean it up, and I'm going to do the needle reset or show the needle reset in the video. I have already the scanner connected. BCI is connected. Let me power up. All right, so let me see how many miles. 92,079. We're going to manual select Range Rover 0709, naturally aspirated. I'm going to try to read the bin, but obviously the whole car is not here, so that will not be the case. In the meantime, this is setting up. If you have any instrument clusters, FICMs, computers, marine ECMs that you need to repair, yes, please contact me, Mike Salazar Diagnostics. That's how my name is spelled, MAIC. And the website is mysalazardiagnostics.com. You can click in here and this will open your email browser, or you can start a chat, but please, if you start a chat, put your email in there. So if I not there when you're typing your message, I can contact you with your email. If you scroll all the way down the page, you get all my contact information at the real bottom of the page. I have all the videos and everything in there. This is again the email address, the shipping address, and the contact telephone number. You can also fill the form in here if you want to send a message. That is a contact information form. All right, so we're good in here. I'm just going to go into instrument cluster. We're going to go into actuation test. We're going to scroll down to the actual gauges. First, the tachometer, which is the one that gives like a 51 point something percent. Not sure why is that here. You see 51%. And when I click on start, it should go to like 4,000 and a little more. And that's exactly what it is. Okay, we're gonna exit that one. That is perfect. And as you see, it's reading exactly zero. This one on the Range Rovers has kind of like a point, right? The zero, same thing in here. I'm gonna show you when I move. Let me move the speedometer now so we can see that one. On the speedometer, it gives exactly 50%. And on the rest of the needles. All right, 50%. And we can see the needle perfectly in 50%. Hopefully you can see the two little arrows in there. So one is for the 1000 and the other one is for the zero, right? When I exit here, that should go back to zero and it's perfectly there. Fuel gauge, we're gonna go over to 50%. Let me just show you the needles and I'm gonna do the selection in the scanner. All right, so that is beautiful. We exit and then the minimal, the empty warning should come. On the temperature, 50% is a little lower than horizon level, and just is the way it's on these ones. I'm very familiar with them. So I'm going to put the 50%. Again, just to show you, we're in the engine gauge temperature. Oops, too much. All right, so if I click start, you see that the needle position on the temperature, and when I exit, it should go up. That is completely normal. All right, Milton, your instrument cluster is ready to go. I will be uploading the video for you and for everybody. Again, it has a LR3 or any Land Rovers that has this same instrument cluster. Just send it over. I have all parts in stock, and I repair the gremlins, which is very common in this one. I got 100% success rate. Not one has left without being repaired. Even one that was butchered by another shop, it was in here, and I was able to make from a donor one gauge for the customer. He's very happy. He actually left a very good review on my website. If you go over to Google, you can see all the reviews on my Salazar Diagnostics. He left one in there because he was very happy. All right, so look like I just got another 5-star review. Thank you, Vladimir, for your review. And yep, all right, guys. Again, if you have anything to repair, don't hesitate. Just send that over. You will be in the best hands. Transparency is my goal always to show everything working finally. And I do have a lot of work, but I try to keep up with all the customers as far as I can and as much as I can to keep everything going as smooth and as fast as possible. All right, guys, thank you so much for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, Milton, for sending me your instruments closer. Talk to you later. Bye bye.